Are you a fitness professional who needs to level up your expertise and the value that you can bring to your clients? Would you benefit from an immersive and hands-on learning experience where you'd be working with an industry leader in the fitness and health space? If that's you, an internship with Dan Williams at Range of Motion might be just what you've been looking for. This exclusive, individualised one-on-one internship with Dan will comprise a combination of theory tutorials and practical hours, working closely with Dan and his clients. You'll progress through a detailed syllabus where you'll develop knowledge needed to be an industry leader. And you'll shadow Dan as he works with his clients. You'll have the opportunity to experience hands-on application of theory in a real-world setting. As part of this internship, you'll learn the science and art of programming for a wide range of goals, the science and physiology of training for strength and power development, the science and physiology of energy system training, how to injury rehab and program around injury. You'll learn about movement screening and the prescription of corrective, stability and mobility exercises. You'll learn techniques and strategies to maximise recovery and well-being, and you will learn about behavioural psychology and mental skills training.
Working with Dan and his individual clients gave me specific and broad experiences in eliciting the very best from my own clients. Through uni, I learnt the sports and exercise theory. Then working with Dan, he taught me how to apply that in vast and varied experiences. The biggest benefit from the mentorship program was a shift in mindset. Now I approach my business differently, I have high expectations of myself, and I know how to create that in my clients.
This mentorship has been a mind explosion. It's inspired me to go out and apply the new knowledge with my clients. The diverse range of clientele has given me a unique science-based learning experience, from rehabilitating chronic injury and disease to elite athletes and everything in between. The hands-on interaction with both Dan and his clients has been priceless. It's given me the opportunity to take my practical learnings and apply it on a daily basis. The mentorship has challenged my thinking and has inspired me to grow better every day.
We offer a complimentary video call so you can have a chat about whether an internship with Range of Motion can help you fast-track your development. You can learn more at rangeofmotion.net.au/internship, or you can email dan@rangeofmotion.net.au.
Get on Dan's mentorship. You'll come out the other end a better trainer and coach with purpose, scientifically backed principles and a treasure chest of knowledge and ability.
If you're a personal trainer or a sports coach and care about the value you provide to your clients, the Range of Motion Mentorship Program, I believe, should be compulsory.